potato peeler. So in this, our project has basically three main parts. This rod, this spring kind of thing, and this blade. So let me come to the first part, this rod. This is a rod which we have made it ourselves. This threading is very deep. See, the second part and this spring part and the rod part goes hand in hand. You can see that we have a circular kind of thing over here, but there is no internal threading in this thing. So how to move this rod forward and backward with the help of this rotation? So the entire principle lies in this thing. This spring keeps this circular kind of thing intact in this thread, and when we rotate this handle, so then the rod moves forward. So this first part and the second part goes hand in hand and helps us to rotate the rod forward and backward. Now coming to the next part, this rotating blade. This is another important part, in fact the most important part in our apple peeler or our potato peeler. See, this contains a rotating kind of mount, and it is free to move ahead. Like if I hold it like this and I leave it, then it moves forward. You can again see it. So this thing, entire principle lies in this thing. We have a blade over here, and when we can mount a potato or an apple in these three pins. In these three pins, when we attach the apple or a potato in these three pins, and after that when we move this rod ahead, so this blade adjusts according to the size of the apple or a potato, and accordingly apply the pressure and helps to peel the potato or an apple. So basically this is the whole idea of our project.
You can see that this potato is peeled, and these are the layers which get out of this potato. You can see how thin these layers are, and now I am going to take it out. You can see that how softly and gently this potato is peeled.
See, this is the handle, and this is completely detachable. I can detach it by the bolt. Now I am gonna put this three rod triangle on this rod. See that this blade is completely detachable. It is attached with the screws and bolts.